subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Council.
Motivation, one of the most discussed topics in recent times. Why is it so important and being discussed so much? There are scientists and psychiatrists working hard to find more and more about it. In basic sense, motivation is like a feeling that empowers us individuals to achieve goals and complete tasks, sometimes even set examples. And since it is like a feeling, it doesn't last long. Almost everyone feels out of it at times and may even feel demotivated. And when such happens, people start avoiding tasks which they consider hard. They refrain from toiling much and even procrastinate to an extent where it becomes seriously harmful for their future self. Not meeting deadlines, getting to work late, rescheduling again and again, angry clients, bosses, customers, etc. become a norm. So, how can one avoid getting in this loop? And what should one do if he has gotten into it? These two questions may seem similar, but the answer to them are really different. Muhammad Ali, one of the greatest boxers of all times, once said that even he finds it difficult to gather motivation to get up in the morning and get going. Even he feels like taking a day off and taking a break, but he still insists on continuing forward. Do what you love, do what you feel passionate about, do what you feel you are made to do. But even when you start to follow the path that you want to, you may still find yourself crossing this road of procrastination and lack of motivation. What would you do then? Break down your tasks into smaller manageable ones, try to complete them one by one and in the planned time period. Reward yourself after completing the hard ones. This will help you to control your dopamine levels and keep your time in check. Before you go to sleep, plan out your next day ahead of time. If possible, try to complete all the difficult ones before when you still have energy. Keep the easier ones for later. Try to also include work in your schedule which you would have done later. This will help you to complete more tasks in the limited time period. So using this method and the words of Muhammad Ali, you can start a new journey for yourself. It can be really hard to complete all the work or achieve goals. They may even seem impossible a lot of times, but if you break them down, you will be able to achieve them. Start now, as now is the good time as any other. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, do give us a like. Comment down your experiences with demotivation, and for more such interesting videos, subscribe to CalmSage.